Hi, this is Mandy from SunflowersAndDors. Welcome back to my channel. Really good to have you with me again today. Today's just a quick video. I've jumped on to do an unboxing, and this is a bit of a mix. I've got the box is from Taperlogy, and some of it I've bought. Some of it was a gift. For joining up to the affiliate program. What that means basically is that I'll put a link below if anybody is interested. There is a discount code, and if you buy anything, then I will get a small commission. As with the YouTube commissions, anything that I get relating to affiliates or affiliations or whatever goes to a charity. So anyway, on with it. So I've opened a few bits and pieces because I didn't want to have you wasting time and hanging around. Well, I try to open all of the packaging. So I'm just going to pop that there out the way for now. And we'll go through all the goodies that we have got. So, as I said, some of this I bought, some of it is a gift. I don't know which is which, to be honest. But I can try and dig out the information and get that over to you. This is, it's like a lacy fabric. As soon as I saw this, I loved it. And I'm doing a winter journal for a journal swap at the moment, and that is probably the perfect colour, hopefully the perfect colour. So that will be used for that. But this is really, really lovely. The colour's beautiful, really beautiful. I love this kind of thing because it's not too in your face, and you can have it as big and as bold as you like, basically. So yeah, love that. These are all different types of cards. Really pretty. Don't know if you can see that, but they really are pretty. Some of these are not my colours at all. For those of you who know me, some of them really, really are. They are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So for those that aren't, I will possibly be looking to do a bit of a destash at some point. So these may appear kind of as part of that process. They're really lovely. It's almost like they're embossed. They're like a speciality card anyway, and it's like they're embossed with the patterns and the text. They're really, really pretty. I don't know how well the camera will pick those up, but I'm trying to put that in here. I can't even remember there it is. Trying to remember where the camera is. So yeah, they're really lovely, really, really delicate. They're beautiful. And actually the colours that I would not normally use aren't that in your face. They're quite subtle. So I might take that back and use those. We'll see. Then we have got these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And yeah, I absolutely adore these. So we've got a what do you call it? A jar. I think these are stickers. I'm pretty sure they're stickers. Like an acetate type. But, well, I'm saying I'm pretty sure. I'm not 100% sure. And I'll have to play with those to see whether the top layer comes off. But yeah, I absolutely, I'm going to try and, let me get a piece of something where you can actually see the colours. The colours are just absolutely stunning. that I did buy these ones. I do remember that I chose them, but they are just something special. Really are lovely. And there's a nice selection of them. They're huge, actually. I didn't think they were going to be quite as big as they are. We've got some, oh, you can see the colours, some earthy colours, some brighter colours, but they're really, really pretty. I'm really, really liking those. They will be gorgeous for some journals that I've got planned for early next year. So those there, and there's another pack here, different colours, but the same principle. I'm going to have to try and work out. I am pretty sure, I'm not 100% sure, I'm pretty sure they're stickers. I'll have to go back on the site, but I can't jump on my phone now because I'm filming this. So let's pop that out of the way there. So these ones then, these are just like pure autumny type. They are gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. So they are definitely going to be going in my, didn't get around to doing my autumn journal this year. I started, but I just got sidetracked. There was just too much fantastic stuff going on, and I didn't make it. So I'm going to actually keep these to one side, and I will pop them in my autumn box. They're so pretty and delicate as well. I don't know if you can see those. So yeah, they will definitely, oh look at that one, that's they will definitely be going in my autumn box. So I'm going to pop those to one side so I don't mix them up. I'll go on to the papers next. These are 2 packs of their speciality papers. They come in 3 different colours. The papers have got different textures and different patterns. You can't probably see an awful lot of it, but these are the neutrals. And I have also got the patterns on those. They're really cool. Really cool. And that's like a wood. I don't know if you can see the wood pattern in that, like the grain. But yeah, really like those. And I also ordered the green in them. So just so much packaging that comes with this sort of stuff, isn't it? It's difficult then. So yeah, the greens again are beautiful, and they of course are my go-to colours, greens and browns. Now I wish you could feel the textures on these, because you can really tell the difference in them. Sorry, so yeah, these, you can't really see them, but they're textured. Everything is textured. Really beautiful. So I am very impressed with those. Well made up with those. And they will be going into my special little storage space. This is just some materials that I ordered just to see what it was like, to be honest. Just different types of materials here. Again, I love these types of materials to use with ephemera pieces, and these aren't too big. Really, just lovely sizes, lovely colours, perfect for my, my neutrally type project work. So yeah, very lovely. This is, I think, if I'm right, I ordered some, I ordered some rub-ons, and you can actually get the material that goes with the rub-ons. Oh, that's fab. I'm not going to be able to rip that off though, so I'm going to have to take that off gently around there. and then I can work that out later. So yeah, this is just the type of material where you, I think, you just literally are going to be, let's cut a piece off and see what it looks like. We'll give it a go. Okay. So you get a nice lot of that as well. I think you had the option of buying them with or without the material. And I didn't have an awful lot here at the time, to be honest, but it was just to have a little see what it was like, you know. So if I say these were the rub-ons that came with the kit. Hang on, let me just I'm going to try and work this a minute, because I think you may be a bit close now, but I think it's a better viewing angle. So with these rub-ons here, oh, there's loads of them as well. Loads. Oh, and there's some beautiful autumn ones again. You'll have to let me know what you do. Do you, with your autumn stuff, or with your, you know, your themed things, do you keep it all together? So would you keep like all your rub-ons together, or would you split them into different themes, like rub-ons for summer, rub-ons for winter, that type of thing? You'll have to let me know, because it's one of the things that kind of flummox me, what to do for the best, you know. So I think this is right. Not great with rub-ons. But I think this is the idea. And then that should, in theory, come off. There we go. I'm just going to rip that. And you'll see how cool that looks. So that's going to be a job for in front of the telly, I think, one day. Just sitting down and going through those and applying them onto the material. The material's really lovely. And they look just really great. I can imagine those kind of as a bit of a cluster. Put a ball pin through those and attach them to your journals or your pieces of ephemera. I really like that. So they are those rub-ons, and as I said, there's loads and loads in there to choose from. I've got some all probably summer, spring, whatever you want to do those. Definitely autumns. Really, I suppose you could use those for anything, but I really do like those. Very, very pretty. And then there's another set of rub-ons here, and these ones, I don't remember ordering these, so these could have been a freebie. I'm not 100% sure, but these are all butterflies. So again, you've got all of the different designs, and again, really, you could split these up by season. So again, we've got a lot here that would be beautiful for the autumn seasons. I'm not sure there's as many of those. No, not quite as many of those as there are the flowers, but they really are pretty. Really pretty. Okay, and then we have stickers. Different types of stickers. I'm actually starting to build a collection of stickers. I never used to use them before, but now I'm starting to use them more and more. And these are really pretty. I would imagine when they go on, they're going to be quite translucent. I'm going to take one of these off here, and I'm going to pop it onto the back here, I think. Just to see what it looks like. And I can always use this Yeah, so they're pretty translucent. They go on, actually you can't see them hardly at all. So they're, again, really, really lovely. Lots of different versions, some ferns and some birds, some flowers. They look like some fruits. So yeah, loads of different, oh look at that one there, that's really cool. So again, really, really lovely. Loads and loads of stickers, goodies there. So again, I'm going to just pop those to one side. And we are coming to the end of it, you'll be glad to know. So these then are just some tags. I love using tags either as obviously as tags, or I actually enjoy using them for page borders. So building them up for page borders. So you could just literally build these up as a page border, or put a hole in them and have them as 3 different tags, and you can just pop those into your pockets and tags. These would even probably, with the colours, be lovely with some of that material attached to them. That's another option. So yeah, these are really, really nice. I think, I'm not 100% sure on the costings, and it's not super, super quick in terms of delivery, but they're definitely worth waiting for. They really are lovely. So I'm going to pop those back in there. And then this came as well. A festive greetings card, and it looks like a little, I don't know if you can see my I've actually got what do you call it, my breath, it's icy, it's coming out of my mouth. That's really cool. It's a wax embellishment piece. So yeah, loads and loads of goodies from Taperlogy. Really, really, really pleased with those. As I said, there is a link below if anybody is interested in any of the bits and pieces. And I always do a monthly update whenever I'm in a position to donate to a charity. And I'll always put down the name of that charity. So yeah, you know, it really is great to be able to do that. I can at the moment. I'm not saying that will always be the case, but at the moment I can, and it's only down to the support of the channel and you guys. So, you know, thank you very much for putting me in that position. I will kind of leave it there so I can play with some of these goodies. Say to you as always, stay safe and be well, and I will catch you in the next video. So until then, bye for now.